I think all of you have watched the video. Let us start with the lesson. The Chitnis children were playing. The Chitnis children were enjoying their summer holidays with their grandmother, Alpna Chitnis. Grandma's farm was an exciting place for Atharva and Neha and their cousins, Disha, Dhruv, and Dev. The children always had plenty to do outdoors, climb trees, go swimming, fly kites, or play football in the open meadow, and sometimes even manage to have an adventure. So, here, students, the Chitnis children were enjoying their summer holidays with their grandmother. So, Disha's father was Mr. Chitnis because all were in summer holidays. You can see all were in summer holidays. So, they were making fun. Especially, they want to make fun outdoors. That is which kind of outdoors? Climb trees, go swimming, fly kites, or play football. Adventure. So they wanted to play in the open meadow. So now what is the meaning of meadow? So the meaning of meadow is an open field grass. An open field of grass is a meadow. And sometimes even manage to have an adventure. So here the meaning of adventure is to explore new things, to explore new something, or to want to make new things, Okay. Let us go and explore the bamboo grove after tea today. It will be nice and cool in the evening, said Atharva, who was 11 years old. He was the oldest, so he decided what everyone would do. Dev, the youngest, was just 8, but he always said, I can look after myself. So after tea, we will go to explore the bamboo grove. So the meaning of grove is a small group of trees. It will be nice and cool in the evening. So what was the time they decided? They decided in the evening time, said Atharva. Atharva is the oldest among all of them. He was the person oldest among all of them. And among them, they was youngest. So Athar was 11 years old and they was 8 years old. Athar was oldest among them and they was the youngest. He was 8 years and he was the youngest. He was just 8. And he always says, I can look after myself. So being so small, right? So being so small, he used to say, I can look after myself. Who will look after myself? They only look himself, right? So the next line. The children got onto their bicycles. Be careful, their children, said Grandma. Yes, Grandma, we will be careful. We promise, said Atharva. So here, students, all were having bicycles. The grandma said, please be careful. So the grandma is saying, please be careful. And Atharva, and he told, yes, Grandma, we will be careful. It was 5 o'clock in the evening. On the way to the bamboo grove, they noticed a house that was only half built. So it was a 5 o'clock in the evening on the way to the bamboo grove. It was the 5 o'clock in the evening. they noticed a house that was only half built. So they noticed a house there, it was a half constructed, half built. So what will happen in the next story, that is, after seeing the half built house, what the children are going to do and what will happen in the story. So this we will be discussing in the next session. And also you'll be having the keywords to write in your homework, and go through the video which I have sent, and the keywords you have to write 2 times in your homework notebook. Thank you, students.